Hi friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie. How are you? Today's going to be a quick video and a lot of fun. See all these little sponges? They come in different sizes. You can get them at Amazon. We're going to do some clouds and some bushes with these. I thought that'd be fun. I put out my paint, but what I did was I took a palette knife and I spread the paint so it would be thinner and easier to work with. I got a little blue, red, white, green, and more white. And my little spray bottle. Because when you pull it out like this, sometimes it can tendency to dry a little quicker. Well, let's go have some fun. Let's do some clouds, okay? Let's see. Oh, that's a good size. Here we go. Now, I hope everyone is having a good time. So, I'm going to dab that like that. And we're making some clouds. Look at that. And then pull that down like that on the bottom. Just turn your sponge. These are fun and easy to work with. You got the long handle. And then you have this size, a little smaller. Stab a little bit over here. And you can dampen your sponge if you want to. Some of these are a little dry, but that's okay. Let's come in the bottom. You just pull that through like that. Oh, that's really, really cool. This is fun for grandchildren or children to play. Get the canvas all ready. I did the blue, white, and blue. And I did my horizon line right there. Now, we take another little sponge, and I thought we would come in with, let me see, let's do some green. Alright, let's get some greenery ground, watch. You just dab that right through like that. Isn't that cool? I just thought it would be just a funny, fun video with these little sponges. Look at that. And again, when you pull out your paint flat like that, it may tendency to dry real quick. Just give it a little spray. Just work that right up and keep on dabbing. Look at that, friends. Look at that. There you go. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. Let's get this one. Okay, and we're just going to come in, just dab some white. There you go. Just tap that like that, very, very, very lightly. Pretty cool effect. And then what you might want to do is dab some white, dab some green. That'll give us a nice shade of a light green. There you go. Yeah, and that'll be a lot lighter than the green we had. Oh, this is fun. I thought, you know what? Let me just do a real fun video. I might have to pull this up just to get the bottom here. And you can run that a little bit like this going across. There you go. Oh, I love it. It's just a very, very cute. I love these little sponges. They are just too cute, too adorable. You just use your imagination. Love the clouds. Love the greenery. Let me see. I have a real tiny one. Let me see. Let me come in with a little red. Yeah, and this is very small. Just maybe a little bit through there. Dab it again. A little red. Now I'm going to tap that in with some white. Of course, the white and the red together make a nice little two-tone like a pink. I hope everyone is having fun. You know, painting just relaxes me. I'm sure your paintings are beautiful and it's very relaxing for you too. It's great to paint any time of the day that you want to paint. Oh, that is really, really, and I love the clouds. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to come back in. Okay, let me just dab. And again, if it starts getting dry, don't worry about it. Get a little squirt with your water bottle. Let me come up here. Okay. And then take and twist your sponge like this. And you're blending that. And you're also giving that cloud a longer shape right there on the bottom. Yeah, this is really cool. And very easy, like I said, if you have your grandchildren or yourself or just anybody. Playing with these sponges are really fun. A lot of fun. And you get a whole package, really, really reasonable. You can order them on Amazon. So I think I'm just going to come in a little bit. Dab down a little bit like that. Just showing you some ideas. And again, I hope everybody's been having fun. I hope everyone is doing well. Enjoying your day. Now I'm going to take the corner. Look at that. We're going to pull that right up. Look what we did with that paint, right? We made some nice high grass. Oh, that is really, really cool. Really, really cool. I think maybe I'll just kind of just having a little fun. Friends, I hope you had fun. This was just a quick little video. I love my little sponges. I'm sure you're going to love yours. Like I said, you can get a whole pack and order them on Amazon. And again, just take your paint, spread it so it's not real thick when you go to dab it. So anyway, look at that. Just a fun video. Have a great day, friends. Please tune in to my next video. Okay? Bye-bye now.